Today we are having a taste test. We're add a half a cup of Sun Kiss. This should be a treat. Okay, let me get a little cup one. And then another half cup of root beer. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if our contestants like what they have tasted, they will get a lifetime supply of our amazing drinks. But if they like it, they won't be living for so long, so I don't think they're gonna mind. Okay. Now, for our next cup, we are gonna have some Coke. And then a cup of Capri Sun. Oh wait, that one isn't open, so. I love these straws, they're like so amazing. Oh, yes. Okay, there's our Capri Sun. And now we need some Sun Kiss. Yes, some Sun Kiss. Ho ho. And now to our cup. Yeah, they're gonna like that one. Okay, now to cup 3, yes, root beer. That is my favorite, yes. Okay, a little bit of that in there. Now we need some Coke, which we have not used tonight. Oh yes, we have used it in our last cup. So now we need some Coke. And now some of our famous Sun Kiss that we have in every single drink, which we might need another cup of, but here I will get another cup of that Sun Kiss right after this commercial break. And now for our fourth cup. Yes, these are looking very delicious. For our fourth cup, this is the great one, and our no wait, I have to save that for the end. Okay. Now we're gonna have some root beer. Some Coke. Capri Sun. A lot of Capri Sun. Yes, a lot. That seems like enough. Okay. Now for our special ingredient. Ta-da! They are definitely gonna like this one. Ah, yes, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh, I wish I could take a sip of this. Oh, delicious. Yeah, I don't think I will. Okay. Now we have our first contestant. Come on down, come on down. Yes, this is going to be such a treat. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, I know you just love me. I know you just love me.
It is going to be
I know you love me.
I
know you love me. Yeah, you love me. Yeah.
Okay, now you are going to rate each drink from a 1 to 10, okay? Okay, on this sheet of paper, you're just going to write it, you know, here with a straw. Yes, with a straw. Okay, and now for the ultimate taste test. And if you like it, yes, if you like it, you get to keep a lifetime supply, okay? So go ahead, knock yourself out.
What's cup number 1?
You start there and you go straight down. Yes, very nice. 5 out of 10 I can see. Oh, fabulous.
Oh, that's awesome.
Cool, and our big 9 out of 10, wham, whoo, man, he might have to go home with that. And our third drink, oh, he looks like he likes that one. Oh, he's not gonna give it up, oh my God. And a perfect 10, oh my gosh. Oh, he's gotta take another drink, sorry folks, you know. And back to our taste test, okay. Yeah, you know, he had to give a 20 out of 10, you know, it's so amazing. And now for our special ingredient. I think he loved it, folks. Here, I'll grade that one. 30 out of 10, perfect. And now for our second guest. Let's see how he likes it. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here, could you roll him off the stage? Yeah! There we go, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to throw that in the dumpster afterwards, you know, we don't want the cops coming after us. So as you saw after him, you are gonna drink from 1 to 4. You're gonna give us a 1 to 10 rating, okay? So go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Oh, looks pretty good. Oh, 5 out of 10, just like our first contestant. Oh, he doesn't like that one. I guess our first contestant was just strange, you know. Oh, a 2 out of 10. Doesn't like it, folks. Yeah. But this is our top contender right here. Ooh, he likes it. Ooh. Oh, a perfect 10. What do you know? What do you... Man, these people are just loving this one. Oh, delicious, folks, delicious. I am so glad I didn't taste that. Here, I'll give him another rating. It is so great, so great. 10 out of 10. Yes, folks, our 2 contestants are going home with their lucky cup number 4, lifetime supply. And yes, they have to drink it. So, see us next time.